Here we are. We're leaving Salerno, and we're starting the tour of the Amalfi Coast, and we're going to be going by a famous ceramic factory soon. This area is known for ceramics. Oh, you can see beautiful tiles right there. Beautiful tiles. So they're showing you the work that they do. And here are the cypress trees.
This blue label you see here, those are all the villages of the Amalfi Coast. This is the access way. And this one right here on the right, we are looking at, this is Vietri sul Mare. Look at the beautiful cupola, the beautiful dome of the church. As I was telling you, ceramic. It's very popular and typical of the Amalfi Coast.
So come with us even more when we take you all along the Amalfi Coast, the rest of Italy, US, and the world. Enjoy.